Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Pamela Lane and welcome to Mommy's Remedy. For today's video, I want to share to you how I decorate or how I fix my living room for Christmas. Then guys, as you can see, wala pa kaming curtain, so maglalagay ako ng curtain. So ano nga ba magandang theme or color motif for Christmas? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ayan guys, ang napili kong color ng aming curtain ay itong printed na curtain with yellow green with touch of blue, light blue and dark green. Parang feeling ko mas bagay siya ngayong Christmas since ang green ay malamig sa mata with a combination of plain color yellow green. So ilalagay ko muna guys. Ang paglalagay ng curtain sa curtain rod, para hindi kayo mahirapan, i-fold niyo na yung mga ring para isang suksukan na lang sa curtain rod.
Nakakaganda talaga ang paglalagay ng curtain because it completes the room.
Then, ine-next ko na yung katabi niya na curtain, which is the plain color yellow-green.
And of course, to make the curtain look nice, you must to iron or steam the curtain before you hang it. Another benefit guys of putting a curtain, of course, curtain control light, kagaya niya no, sobrang sikat ng araw, and it lend privacy. Para naman hindi agad tayo nasisilip sa loob ng ating bahay. And of course, curtain affirm your style and add texture and color to the room.
So, ito yung pang left side. Ito naman yung pang right. So, ilalagay ko na rin. So, ito na yung pinaka dulo ng right side ng curtain. So, ilalagay ko na to. Meron pang color white, pero ito, iba ang curtain rod nito, yung very thin curtain rod, para sa center ng window.
Another tip guys is, if you want to make the room as tall as possible, install the curtain rod slightly closer to the ceiling to exaggerate the height of the room. Or for small cut curtain, better to put curtain rods at least 4 to 6 inches above the window frame. When it comes to the width, para maging looks larger ang inyong window, putting a curtain rod should not be in the exact width of your window. Add an extra 4 to 8 inches each side, aside sa magmumukhang malaki ang window. Of course, curtain won't block the view when you open it. Next, dito naman tayo sa pagpili ng ilalagay na curtain. Each curtain panel should be at least 2 times the width of the window because it gives curtain luxurious look even they are open or closed. Next, dito naman tayo sa finials or the decorative head top of the curtain rod. When I bought this adjustable curtain rod at the mall, may kasama ng finials. At dahil mas magandang tingnan kung nakatago ang bracket ng curtain rod, ina-adjust ko ang last ring ng curtain panel. It will also prevent curtain movement.
Ayan, dito naman tayo sa pang-inner curtain, which is the white curtain, yung manipis. Share ko lang sa inyo, itong curtain na dito, as in, pure stainless siya, pero sobrang mura ko lang ito nabili. And guess what? Parang 600 pesos lang to, pero 3 windows na ang malalagyan kasi 20 feet ang isang ganito. makapal na siya, matibay pa. Tapos, pinilihan ko lang siya ng mga ganito yung pandulo. Pero ito, pinatabas ko lang based kung gano'ng kahaba ang isang window. So, isang piraso na pure stainless na 304 na worth 600 pesos, mga 3 window na ang malalagyan. Diba? Sobrang tipid. Kaysa bumili ako sa mall ng magaang na, manipis pa na curtain rod, tapos isang piraso lang, minsan 500 to 1,000 ang price nun. So, mas makakatipid talaga kung pure stainless, and then, umupa na lang kayo ng magtatabas. So, nakatipid na, matibay pa yung mga gagamitin natin na siguradong pang matagalan. Gabit na natin. Tapos na ako sa ladder, kaya ligpit muna. Another curtain accessories is the tie box. Tie box can be bought in different design. Mayroong string type, meron din namang magnetic type. For me, ginamit ko na lang yung included sa curtain. Ayan, finally natapos ko na yung curtain. When it comes naman to curtain length, at dahil nga ang goal is to make the window looks bigger, so choose the long one. But for me, I prefer the hanging curtain. That is not touching the floor. Pero mas magandang tingnan kung nakahang ang curtain only 1 to 2 inches above the floor. I'm done with the curtain, kaya dito naman tayo sa decor. I bought this vase and a tiny green tree at All Home. And this metal leaf is from Shopee. Naglagay na rin ako ng white artificial flower. I bought it also from All Home. When it comes to pillowcase naman, because of the gold printed design, it has elegant look kahit super cheap lang ng price niya. At para naman sa aming center table, I choose these pieces of wire decor. The original color of the wire plate is black. Bumili lang ako ng spray paint to change the color into gold. Now, let's see the final look of our minimalistic design living room. Mas pinili kong maghang ng wall mirror instead of decorative frame because this area is a hallway going to the main door. Para we can still see how we look bago lumabas ng bahay. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my simple way on how I decorate our living room, especially my tips on how to hang a curtain.
For the recap, the height and the width of the curtain makes a difference in its final look. Raising the curtain rod makes the window look taller and given the illusion that you have a higher ceiling. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And click nyo na rin yung bell icon to be notified on my next video. See you on the next one. Bye guys. Stay well.